Who did? Yeah. I don't want to move forward and just go push him. Oh, is he? Let's go for him. Yeah, let's cut through. Let's cut through. Hey, guys up here. Yep. I'm here. Go. There's more over there. Oh, they're laying down. See anyone? A couple of them to our left. I just don't. Hey, they're drag netting. Hey, they're dragging. To our left. I saw y'all dragging.
I thought y'all were distracted by someone else.
Hey, let's push up this way.
Right here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh.
Holy crap, dude.
There's a lot of them.
Alright, hey, watch, keep eyes on the road to our left.
I don't think so.
They might be dead.
I heard. Yeah. Y'all got that? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Are you hit? Is he hit? That one's not. Where?
Behind the dude walking.
Oh, I see him. Where, is he walking? Or is he dead? Hey, I'm moving up to the next tree. Y'all watch left. They're hit. Hit! Good shot. Hey, I'm moving up. I'm moving up. You hit? Alright. Completely out. Completely out. They're all there. Except to our left. To our left. Guys to our left are alive.
Reload. Make sure you reload.
My loader's out of ammo.
Already?
Yeah.
You have a utility?
Oh yeah, I got 20. They're on my brother though. I'll grab them in a minute. Here, load it up. They're in your bag. Oh, they're all up there. They're all up there. I'm trying to get forward again, but they can't.
You're not shooting at us, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna try to go across the road if you can cover.